Types of resources. Natural resources. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. The air we breathe, the water in our rivers and lakes, the soil, minerals are all natural resources. Potential resources. Resources whose entire quantity may not be known and these are not being used at present. These resources could be used in future. The uranium found in Ladakh is an example of potential resources. Actual resources. Resources whose quantity is known are called actual resources. These resources are being used in the present. The rich deposits of coal in Ruhr region of Germany and petroleum in the West Asia, the dark soils of the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra are all actual resources. Abiotic resources are non-living, for example, soils, rocks, and minerals, while biotic resources are living, example, plants and animals. Renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which get renewed or replenished quickly. Some of these are unlimited and are not affected by human activities such as solar and wind energy. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those which have a limited stock. Once these stocks are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are some examples. Ubiquitous and localized resources. Resources that are found everywhere, like the air we breathe, are ubiquitous. Resources which are found only in certain places are localized, like copper and iron ore. Human-made resources. People use natural resources to make buildings, bridges, roads, machinery, vehicles, and technology are known as human-made resources. Human resources. People can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, skill, and the technology to do so. That is why human beings are a special resource. People are human resources. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource. Resource conservation. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Sustainable development. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. Thank you.